How to voiceover in Fian Video Editor. If you want to add a voiceover in Fian Video Editor, you have to follow this step. First of all, launch the Fian Video Editor app on your device. Once you have launched your Fian Video Editor app, you have to tap on the plus icon here, and after that you have to import the video, or you can just go for the existing one. Once you are on your video, here you can see the tap to add music here, and once you are here you can see the microphone icon, so you have to just go for the microphone icon to record your voice like this, and just go for the while using this app, and you have to tap or face on and hold to record. So here you can see that I have this recorded my sound, and here you can see the volume option, and I will show you after that. Just go for the volume option. Hello everyone. You can see that you can also fade your voice in or out. Hello everyone. I'm here to provide you the guidelines how you can record on your Fian Editor app. So here you can see that you can drag the voiceover audio track here. Also, you can see that you can choose your voiceover and you can put the voiceover wherever you want to adjust that. So once you are satisfied, you can export your video and save it to your project. So this way you can easily add the voiceover in your Fian Editor app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.